discharged toward the finish of 2017 in some European nations, the Asus ZenFone Max Plus M1 is currently relatively prepared to be propelled in the US as well. Asus recently declared that the cell phone ought to be accessible in North America, which should mean both the US and Canada, beginning February, for $229. The handset will be offered opened, doubtlessly being perfect just with GMS/LTE transporters like AT&T and T-Mobile. The ZenFone Max Plus M1 is Asus' first cell phone to wear a show with a 18:9 perspective proportion, a 5.7-inch 1080x 2160 pixels screen, to be correct. Being a piece of the ZenFone Max family, the new telephone packs a liberal 4130 battery, however that is littler than the 5000 battery of the ZenFone 4 Max propelled a year ago. As per Asus, this 4130 battery can give up to 26 hours of talk time, up to 21 hours of Wi-Fi web perusing, or up to 13 hours of video playback. This likely implies, on a solitary charge, the handset can last up to 2 days with ordinary utilize. Worked around a metal case, the ZenFone Max Plus is controlled by an octa-center MediaTek MT6750T processor, additionally including 3GB of RAM, 32GB of expandable storage room, a 16MP forward-looking camera, and a double back camera, 16MP plus 12MP wide point. The cell phone additionally offers a face unlock highlight and a unique mark scanner on the back. On the product side, the ZenFone Max Plus accompanies Android 7 Nougat. However, we are absolutely anticipating that it should be refreshed to Android 8 Oreo eventually. Asus says the M1 is a piece of another ZenFone Max series that will incorporate cell phones with various processors and screen sizes, while having dependable batteries in like manner. At $229, the ZenFone Max Plus M1 will go up against any semblance of Honor 7X and Motorola Moto G5S Plus, with its fast battery absolutely being leverage.